Here in the question number 2, considering baryon number and lepton number conservation law, which one of the following processes are allowed? There are two processes here it's given. The proton is decaying into the pi 0 meson plus the positron. E plus means positron plus the electron neutrino nu E. The same process, the positron E plus is interacting with that electron neutrino nu E. It is giving product the mu plus meson plus nu mu muon neutrino. This nu mu means muon neutrino. These are the two processes given. We have to check the baryon number conservation for these two processes and then lepton number conservation for these two processes. For that we need to know what is the protons, so what is the baryons, what are the baryons as well as what are the leptons are available, how we can assign the number for the baryon and then numbers for the leptons. That is the thing we need to check here. For that, first we can see the baryons, what are the baryons, what are the leptons are in nature it is occurred according to the standard model. Look at the first equation. The proton is decaying into the pi 0 meson plus the positron plus the electron neutrino. Here, this diagram shows the baryons. These are the here it is shown. There are totally 9 baryons is here. Here the top one is the P represents the proton. It is made up of 3 quark UUD, the neutron DUD, then sigma, then the center one is sigma 0, sigma plus, the bottom one is there are this kind of particle. So if you look at these two equation, only one proton is available. There are no other baryons are available. Hence the baryon number for the proton it is plus 1. So here we can assign the baryon number for the proton it is plus 1. And only one baryon, that number we are going to use here. Similarly, the leptons also here it is available. If you look at the left hand side diagram, here these are the leptons. So for the lepton, there are 6 leptons are here. The lepton number for each lepton is plus 1. Suppose if the opposite particle is available, the antiparticle, then the lepton number would be minus 1. Here, what are the leptons? Here it's a electron, the electron neutrino, muon neutrino, tau neutrino. So the lepton number for the electron plus 1, muon number 0 for the electron, the tau number also 0. Here the second particle muon neutrino, here the particle is represented by the minus sign, the topmost minus sign. If the antiparticle it should represent by the plus. Suppose for the electron it will be E plus. For the mu it will be the antiparticle for the mu it will be mu plus. The antiparticle for the tau it will be tau plus. The number, the lepton number for the antiparticle is minus 1. So this is the thing we need to remember to see which are of these two processes allowed. First we can check the lepton number. Instead of lepton number, first we can check the baryon number for the both the process. Then we can check the lepton number because they according to these two conservation, which one of the following process is allowed. That is the thing they are asking here. Look at the first equation. The proton is decaying pi 0 plus the positron. E plus means positron plus the electron neutrino. First we can check the baryon number conservation, whether it is matching the baryon numbers. Base here only one baryon is here, that is a proton. The proton already I told the baryon number for the proton is plus 1. Particle is always having the plus 1 number. So here it is plus 1. It is equal to the right hand side if I see this is pi 0 is meson, it's not baryon. So the baryon number for the other particle is 0. The meson is 0. Second particle is here E plus, that is a positron. For the positron also it is not a baryon, the number is 0. Then the electron neutrino, the number is 0. Hence the plus 1 is equal to right hand side is 0. So this is not allowed process because plus 1 is not equal to 0. If right hand side left hand side are equal, then it is allowed process, but this is not allowed process because the left hand side is plus 1, right hand side is 0. It's not allowed process. So the first process is baryon number is not considered, so this process is not allowed. So we no need of checking the lepton number for the first equation. Now directly we can go to the second equation. Here if you look at this equation, there are no baryons, only the leptons are available. The E plus represents, anyway the baryon number is conserved. The left hand side there is no baryon because all of them are leptons, so 0 plus 0, the positron plus electron neutrino, they are having 0 baryon. Right hand side the muon antiparticle plus the muon neutrino, they are also baryon number 0 because they are not baryon, that's why we are assigning the number is 0. So hence the baryon number left hand side is 0, right hand side also 0, baryon number is conserved. Even 0 also you can say it's conserved. Now we can, because they are not baryons, so whether it is conserved or not conserved, it doesn't matter. Now we want to check the lepton number. The lepton number here it's given as L. Here the first particle we have to write it, this is a positron. The electron, if you look at the lepton number is plus 1, positron it is minus 1. Just we get to put minus 1 for the first particle. The second particle, this is electron neutrino. Electron neutrino, the lepton number it is given, it is plus 1. Just you got to substitute plus 1. Then next to third particle, it is interacting, it is giving mu plus. It is antiparticle to the muon, mu minus, so that lepton number is minus 1 because it's antiparticle, that's why it is minus 1. The fourth one, muon neutrino, it is not antiparticle, it is particle. Here see here muon number for the fourth one, it is plus 1, so here you have to put the plus 1. So the left hand side minus 1 plus 1 it is 0. The right hand side is minus 1 plus 1 it is 0. Hence the left hand number left hand side is equal to left hand number to the right hand side. It is conserved. The baryon number is also conserved. So according to the baryon number and the lepton number conservation law, the second equation is the allowed equation. The first equation is not the allowed equation according to the baryon number conservation. So from the above discussion, we got the answer. The second one is allowed process. The first one is not allowed process. So the option only 2 is right. The option C is the best answer for this question.